Treat canine incontinence. Canine incontinence happens when your dog experiences involuntary urination. This disorder is common in dogs. The causes of incontinence may vary. Your dog might be suffering from incontinence if he involuntarily leaks all the time. If you think your dog has this condition, you have to know the proper way of treating him. There are different ways on how to treat canine incontinence. Like other disorders, the treatment depends on the cause of the incontinence. The following are some of the most common treatments for canine incontinence. Use phenylpropanolamine, PPA, to treat incontinence. PPA is one of the most common treatments for incontinence. PPA is a decongestant. Most of the PPA products are in tablet forms. However, you will also find liquid form of PPA. It will tighten the sphincter muscles found in the bladder of your pet. Both male and female dogs can use this treatment. Almost all dogs that use this treatment become successful in controlling their incontinence. Your dog should take PPA 2 to 3 times daily. However, if your dog suffers from heart disease or high blood pressure, you may not want to use PPA, as this will aggravate his condition. Estrogen supplements can also treat incontinence in dogs. Diethylstilbestrol, DE, is the common form of estrogen supplements used in treating incontinence. Some dog owners also use estradiol. This is a natural form of estrogen supplement. For the first week, your dog should take DE daily. After the first week, you can decrease the dosage to once a week. You can purchase DE at your local pharmacy. You can also combine DE with PPA. You should do this when the case of incontinence is severe. Consider a surgery using collagen as a treatment. Ectopic ureter is a congenital disorder that affects the urinary tract of dogs. This condition can cause incontinence. If your dog has ectopic ureters, the tubes in the urinary tract do not connect in his bladder properly. This means that his urine flows to a different location. The only solution to this abnormality is through surgery. A surgery that uses collagen injections is one effective way of treating this. The vet will use anesthesia for this procedure. Almost 75% of dogs that received this treatment were successfully treated. Think about using natural treatments. If your dog is suffering from a mild incontinence condition, natural treatments may be enough to treat him. There are different natural means of treating incontinence. You can use herbs, homeopathic remedies, chiropractic treatment, or acupuncture. If you use herbs, corn silk is the most common treatment. Consider colposuspension for female dogs. Surgical operation may be necessary if your dog does not respond to natural treatments. This procedure works by tacking your dog's vagina to her belly's wall. This will then compress the urethra that helps treat incontinence. However, dogs that undergone this procedure relapse within a year. There is a 50% chance that dogs will heal through this procedure. For male dogs, vet can perform a similar procedure called cystourethropexy. These are the most common treatment options for canine incontinence. Determining what treatment to use depends on what causes the disorder. For the benefit of your dog, consult a veterinarian first.